Let's get a move on and focus in on the Bihar elections as well. The final phase of polling, as 2.3 crore voters are going to decide the fate of over 1,200 candidates today. In fact, joining in then is Shireen Elizabeth to give us all the details on what we know so far.
Well, till 9 a.m. The voter turnout has been, in fact, 7.69%, probably because the temperature here has dipped comparatively in the last two phases. So probably people are taking their own sweet time to come to the polling center. Right now, I'm reporting from one of the polling centers in Muzaffarpur, which is all women polling station. So you can see the way it has been decorated in order to ensure that women in large number do come here. All the staff here who are deployed here are all women, and you can see voters are coming, taking their own selfies. But when we talk about Muzaffarpur, in fact, what the locals have been saying is the second town after Patna. Now, after Patna city, Muzaffarpur is the second town, and they expected that there will be development when we talk about a town, but there has been no development so far. We have seen, Tanvi, we have been in fact traveling throughout Muzaffarpur. There are open gutters everywhere. There is no road or infrastructure that is properly here. Even when the two-time MLA, the BJP MLA, is none other than a cabinet minister for housing and for urban development and housing minister. So why is it that people are suffering is the question that all of them have been asking. In fact, I'm joined by Mukund Sharma, who is also a journalist, एक पत्रकार भी है और वो यहाँ के लोकल भी हैं और उनको काफ़ी यहाँ की समस्याएं मालूम है, इनकी पॉलिटिक्स जो डायनामिक्स है वो मालूम है। मुकुंद जी, आप यहाँ पे काफ़ी साल से काम कर रहे हैं, क्या है यहाँ की समस्याएं और क्या है पॉलिटिकल डायनामिक्स क्या है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ के जो विधायक रहे हैं टाउन के, वो अपने 5 साल की अवधि में कोई काम किए नहीं, तो लोग उनके अगेंस्ट हैं। और जो बीजेपी के कैडर वोटर हैं वो भी उनको वोट इस बार नहीं कर रहे हैं। और जो इसके पूर्व जो विधायक थे विजेंद्र चौधरी, वो 3 बार यहाँ से विधायक रह चुके हैं, तो उन्होंने काम करवाया था, तो काफ़ी लोग उनको इस बार वोट दे रहे हैं और जो स्थिति है उसमें लग रहा है कि चुनाव वही जीतेंगे।
So here you can see number of people who are taking selfies here. आपने वोट कर लिया सर?
जी कर लिया।
क्या समस्या है दिमाग में?
समाज में बहुत परेशानी है, ये बच्चे लोग का नौकरी चाकरी में दिक्कत है, उसके बाद में सुधार नहीं है, विकास के नाम पर झूठा ये वादा करते हैं। हम बदलाव चाहते हैं।
चेंजिंग ज़रूरी है, विकास नहीं हो पा रहा है। पिछले 10 साल से इनको मौका मिला है, कुछ विकास नहीं कर पाए हैं, तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि इस बार चेंजिंग ज़रूरी है।
जनता के बीच में रहते भी नहीं सुरेश शर्मा जी।
So clearly a lot of people are disappointed by Suresh Kumar Sharma, who is in fact the minister in Nitish cabinet. They have been saying he has hardly come over here. There has been no development that has been done here. So right now people are trickling in. Though the voter turnout has been disappointing since 9 a.m., we are hoping that more and more people will be turning out.
All right, final phase of voting in Bihar. Thanks very much for those updates. We'll wind it up right here on the show. Thanks so much for watching.